2014 Porsche Cayenne. The Cayenne was an instant success for Porsche, earning both critical praise and popular acceptance while reaching 100,000 in sales faster than any Porsche model ever. Porsche just continues to improve it. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, cruise control, electronic stability control, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, body color door handles, engine immobilizer, tinted glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.